I just got this awesome outdoor carrying case that you can use for grills, camping. We will use it for both. We just kind of live in the country. We're just about to start the grill. So I wanted to show you this bag empty first, then I'll put stuff in it when we're grilling. So I like that it folds all the way up like an accordion. And there is a strap, a buckle here to keep it tight. It has nice handles on either side and then a removable strap. So that's really nice. I love the inside is all lined. There's a million pockets, mesh pockets, sleeves, mesh pocket on this side, and then there's Velcro. I'm sorry, not Velcro, just stretchy elastic pockets on literally every single side. So I love that. And then it also comes with this pocket for you, and then a lid that Velcros on the sides. So let me get some tools and stuff in it and I'll bring it back out. Okay, so I can just hand things off like seasoning pouches. I can put tools on the one side. I love it, like if we're camping or something, I can just have everything in one place. Paper towels, I got treats. I put things like bacon, sauces, cheese we would put on top of our burgers, drinks. So we're just gonna sit outside on our porch tonight. So I just grabbed this, brought it outside. I have like chips and things. So I love that it's just, it can fit all the things. I can just put that cover on like this, and then it folds over the sides. And it's good for keeping all the bugs out and stuff. So I love that it keeps everything cool. It's an awesome size, really fits everything. So it was a great buy, super high quality. It'll be great for camping and at home every day. All right, just to show you up close, I love that you can just clip a paper towels in if you want, and there's still pockets underneath. The top is easy to remove with the Velcro. I love the EVA insulated interior. It keeps everything cool and clean with all the pockets. It's easy to wipe. I love that you can put all the seasonings on the one side. I mean, pockets all the way around are awesome. The dimensions are about 15 inches by 12 by almost 10. I love the removable big strap if you want it or not. So it was just a great buy. I love that it keeps all our drinks cool, everything.